It's time to make a delicious cup of tea. So the first thing we have to do is fill our tea kettle with some water. The Chef's Secret tea kettle holds 3.17 quarts, so this could take a little while. Set the tea kettle on the stove and snap on the lid. Make sure you get the lid in place right, because when I don't, my steam escapes from the top and not just the end of the spout. You can see we're starting at 9:27, so let's see how long it takes for this tea kettle to whistle. 16 minutes. I would have long since let this boiled over. Notice I didn't get that cap quite right. That's okay though. So how many teacups can you fill? I'm not wasting my time with the dinky little pretty teacups because we all really drink out of the travel mugs. So we're working with our 20-ounce travel mugs today, and it turns out we can fill how many? Look at that, 5 travel mugs plus a traditional coffee cup. Perfect size tea kettle for me.